Welcome back to Car Updater, and thank you for tuning in again. Today we are exploring another legendary piece of military technology that changed the face of aerial combat forever. The AIM-9 Sidewinder, one of the most famous air-to-air missiles ever created, has a story that combines simplicity, effectiveness, and decades of service. In this video, I will guide you through its history, design, performance, and lasting impact so that you can understand why this missile is considered a true game-changer in air warfare. The AIM-9 Sidewinder was first developed in the early 1950s by the United States Navy. Unlike many other complex missile projects at the time, the Sidewinder was designed to be simple, reliable, and affordable. Its main innovation was its infrared homing guidance system. Instead of relying on radar, the Sidewinder locked onto the heat produced by an enemy aircraft's engine exhaust. This allowed pilots to simply fire the missile and let it guide itself to the target without the need for continuous radar illumination. This fire-and-forget capability made it revolutionary compared to other missiles of that era. The very first versions of the Sidewinder proved effective almost immediately. It entered service in 1956 and soon after saw combat during the Taiwan Strait crisis, where it scored some of its earliest kills. During the Vietnam War, the Sidewinder gained even more recognition. Pilots flying F-4 Phantoms, F-8 Crusaders, and other aircraft relied heavily on the AIM-9 to take down enemy MiGs in intense dogfights. While the early missiles had some limitations, they quickly showed their value in real combat situations. One of the biggest strengths of the Sidewinder is its simplicity. The missile is relatively small and lightweight, measuring about 9 feet in length and weighing around 190 pounds. Despite its compact size, it can travel at speeds of over Mach 2.5 and reach ranges from about 18 to 35 kilometers depending on the version. Its warhead may not be the largest, but combined with its precision, it has been more than enough to bring down enemy aircraft for decades. Over the years, the AIM-9 has gone through numerous upgrades. Each generation improved its seeker head, electronics, and countermeasure resistance. The AIM-9L introduced in the late 1970s was a huge leap forward because it could lock onto targets from any angle, not just from behind where the heat signature was strongest. This all-aspect capability gave pilots a major advantage in combat. Later versions like the AIM-9M enhanced its reliability and resistance against flares, while the modern AIM-9X brought advanced imaging infrared seekers, thrust vectoring for extreme maneuverability, and compatibility with helmet-mounted sights. The AIM-9 Sidewinder has been used by more than 40 nations and has been integrated on countless aircraft worldwide. From American fighters like the F-15, F-16, F-18, and F-22, to European jets like the Tornado and the Eurofighter.